people, meet some more friends, get involved in a lot more car stuff as per usual. Schwick Wheels is always ready.
Ideas, we're doing a charity event today. We're doing the MOVEMBER. So hashtag MOVEMBER, and you're going to see us take a rally with all these lammies. We're going to be taking that rally, that ride, all of these gorgeous STOs, Aventadors and lammies to the heliport and on the East River of Manhattan.
This is Paul. He's the general manager of Lamborghini Greenwich. He's the one that sold us all his beautiful cars. Today we're going to do a big charity event. We're going to do a drive-through to Manhattan. We're going to have a great day together. Come see these guys at Lamborghini Greenwich. They have the best life has to offer. Thanks for sharing.
He thinks this is ugly, dude.
Nah, this car is ugly in the back, bro. There's nothing nice about this car.
Sports cars with mustaches. We're not joking, but it's all for a good cause. More than 50 Lamborghinis sporting mustache decals on their hoods paraded the streets of Midtown today. The cars are in support of MOVEMBER, the world's leading men's health charity. The annual event encourages men to grow mustaches during the month of November to raise money and awareness for men's health, including prostate and testicular cancers and mental health. After parading through the streets, the cars parked to form a mustache.